Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt design on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the T-shirt button next to the featured option at the upper side of the screen, and here select a T-shirt. New, if you want to add the image to your T-shirt, just go to the image button next to the templates button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find different logos and pictures. In the templates button you can find different templates, videos, 3D models, frames and more. If you want to change the color, just click to the color button and select another color. In the add button you can add the graphic elements to your t-shirt, and if you want to change the text, just go to the, if you add text, just go to the text button and write your text, and if you don't, just click to the done button. And in the font section you can find different font type, and you can edit the color of your text, the spacing, the stroke, and you can add shadows and different more adjustments. And in the doodle button you can draft your t-shirt, and in the brush button you can find different elements and just select one, for example the butterfly, and you can add to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.